Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera and KB. Coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, please guys, if you come across my video, you watch and like it, please always help me to click on that like button. Okay, and to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. Okay, so guys, today I'll be showing you guys on how I make my own egg sauce, a very sweet and delicious egg sauce. I call it egg sauce with a twist. Okay, so if you want to know how I made this egg sauce, then relax, let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe to you. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, okay, and do not forget to share. So guys, let's get started. So guys, these are the things you'll be needing to prepare your own egg sauce. I have my olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have my eggs. I'm using 6 eggs. I have my onion and garlic already chopped, my spring onions, my chopped tomatoes, my pepper, roughly grated or blended, anyone. I have my chopped beef. This is a mixture of beef and chicken. I have my seasoning cube, my salt, my curry powder. I'm using curry powder. Okay, feel free to add or remove anything that you don't want. Okay, so guys, let's start. So guys, I will start by heating up some amount of oil in a dry pot. Once my oil is hot enough, I will go in with my chopped garlic and onions. I'm going to fry this for a few seconds. I will stir and fry for a few seconds. So I'll be adding in my curry powder now. So guys, I'm going to stir this, allow it to fry for some few more seconds. Okay, I'll be adding in my beef now. I will stir. I will let it fry for another few seconds. I will add in my tomatoes. I'll be adding in my chopped pepper. I'm going to stir this and allow it to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, 4 minutes after, I went in with my salt and my seasoning cube. I'm going to stir this, allow it to fry for another 1 minute, then I'll go in with my egg. So guys, I'll add in my eggs now. I'll cover it, allow it to fry for a few seconds before stirring, okay? I'm going to gently stir it and then I will leave it to cook. So the sauce is ready now to accept the spring onions. If you don't want to add in your spring onions, you can just skip it, okay? It's totally optional, okay? You can enjoy it like this. It will still come out very nice. Okay, so I'm going to stir it and then I will add in my spring onions. If you have watched me up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please help me to click on that subscribe button. Subscription is free, there is no hidden charges, okay? Also, do not forget to like the video and leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. So right now I will be adding in my spring onions. I'm going to give it a very good stir and then our egg sauce is ready. So this is what our sauce is looking at. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section, okay? Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying out this recipe. Our egg sauce is ready, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be enjoying this with. I'll be enjoying mine with some boiled sweet potatoes. Thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time. Bye bye.